Good morning, everyone. We woke up to a beautiful morning here at camp. Here you see our pop-up campsite. And we just went on a little paddleboard on the lake. So I'll show you what we have here. We are at Clear Creek Recreation Area in the Bankhead National Forest, close to Jasper, Alabama. And our campsite has direct access to the lake here. This is Smith Lake. Brought our paddleboard, and we have a direct path just straight down to the water. It's a beautiful day. We enjoyed a little morning paddleboard on the lake, and now we're going to have some breakfast. But before I get started on breakfast, just check out this tree here. I think this is, I need to double check what this tree is called, but I think it's just a big leaf magnolia. It's not your traditional magnolia tree, but these leaves are massive. And I think it's just called a big leaf magnolia tree. It's beautiful. We got wife over here making friends with the neighbors. She's so sweet. It's time to go for a little walk. Chris, my wife, has taken the dog for a walk, and I went looking for a dumpster. I couldn't find one. There's one all the way at the front of the park, but it's too far to walk. So this is a pretty big campground. So now I'm going to catch up with them on the hiking trail. So there's some good trails here, some excellent biking trails as well, but we didn't bring our bikes on this trip. But this is I gotta go this way. But this is a fantastic campground. Very wooded, lots of good forest, but this is inside of a national forest. So this is the kind of camping we enjoy, and being on a lakefront just adds to the wonderful ability. Is that a word? The wonderful ability of it all. I could have brought my skateboard here. There's my wife. Did Nora find a good stick?
Yes.
Wow, this side of the lake is more wide open. Look at this tree.
No, isn't it pretty?
You should climb it and jump in. That's a giant leaf magnolia tree.
Yeah.
It looks like it would have flowers and blooms at some point, maybe like a week or two ago.
You're such a good girl. Oh, I wonder if that goes up to the cave.
It must.
Want to check it out?
Sure. There's a little trail that goes up there. Go scope it out for us, Nora. Sniff out the snakes. It gets pretty steep.
Yeah. I bet it's cute when it's running water, you know?
So the paddle is just making her spin in circles. Oh my gosh. I just need to get a rope and tie you off so you don't float away. Now that's more like it. I think it's pretty much done.
Yeah.
You love that sound. Have you ever just needed to hit a reset button in life? Being in nature is one of the few places where the distractions of phones and busy schedules are replaced by the sound of the wind and the trees. Being tired, but instead of being tired from work, I'm tired from a long hike. That's the best kind of tired. Making core memories with my wife, priceless. I needed a reset. This is Clear Creek Campground on Smith Lake, and this was our reset.